How to unlink Facebook in Honor of Kings. Are you trying to remove your Facebook login from your Honor of Kings account? Then, if yes, watch till the end. First of all, launch open Honor of Kings game on a device, and from the home screen or the lobby screen, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner. From the settings menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and click on this preference button right next to link social media account, and under account management scroll down, and if you've previously linked Facebook, then you'll be able to see this unlink button. Tap on it and click on confirm, and that way you will be able to unlink Facebook from Honor of Kings. If you don't have any other login method linked, then do that first and you'll be able to unlink Facebook or any other sign-ins from this page. So that's how you attempt to unlink Facebook from your Honor of Kings account. You can always link back to Facebook anytime you want. Just get to this page and click on link and follow through the instructions, and that's it. That is how you easily unlink Facebook from Honor of Kings. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.